Well, good afternoon, and welcome to this special election week episode of Weekly Spark. I have been cleaning the studio today, went out to vote, of course, and was struck by this amazing coincidence of things. Yes, that would be the dog Squeaky Toy. The school cafeteria, that was my polling place, had its windows painted with a huge blue wave. And I really loved that as an omen. And so I decided I would do a page today with a blue wave. The school mascot is a tiger, so there were tigers everywhere. And I have a picture here. Although it's backwards, it was originally going to be slated for a transfer. This is the Hindu goddess Devi. And so I've got a female-centric blue wave, fierce tiger energy that references the goddess Durga, also a Hindu goddess who was fierceness and strength. So I'm just going to play on the page today. I've got the news running on my iPad, so I'm going to edit that out and give you just a voiceover, music over? Yeah, whatever. So enjoy this special episode of Weekly Spark since I'm creating this on Election Day. And as always, please feel free to like and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, all those YouTube things. I look forward to seeing any comments and check in next week for the next episode of Weekly Spark.